Well, Gabe will get to choose. Don't worry. You hold it? Thank you.
Maisie, there's pink with chocolate cake and pink with like vanilla type cake.
Yummy.
Not vanilla.
I like vanilla.
Yeah?
Oh, no.
Okay, Maisie, would you like pink with chocolate or vanilla?
I guess this will hold it.
Yeah, chocolate.
Okay.
I don't think.
Ready? One chocolate for Maisie. Okay, Delaney, what color would you like? Pink? I will give you vanilla. Would you like vanilla?
I want pink too.
Maisie, can you smile and say cheese?
Hey, Delaney.
Look at Daddy and do that. Maisie, look at Daddy.
Sorry, sweetie. Okay, Ethan, what would you like?
Maisie, look at Daddy and say cheese, please.
Yellow.
Maisie, look at Daddy.